Hello to all my lovely students. Hope you all are fine by staying at home. I am Bharti here to teach you SST. Welcome to the SST class. As you know, yesterday we started chapter 4, the equatorial region. In this chapter, we studied about the country which is deep in the African continent, that is the DRC. It lies in torrid zone. We studied about its climate, which river flows through DRC, and the other places that come under equatorial region. Today, we will study about its vegetation, wildlife, food, and the different types of crops grown here. So let's start with the vegetation. As this region lies near the equator, so the DRC is the land of dense forest because of its hot and humid climate, which makes the growth of plant very good. There is a good growth of creepers and shrubs. The trees grow very close to each other and they reach the height of 60 meters, which forms the canopy at the top. Due to this, the sunlight gets blocked and it doesn't fall on the ground, and which makes the forest dark. Okay, so इसी की वजह से इनको evergreen forest भी बोला जाता है. So there are different kind of trees which are found here. This is the image of teak tree. Next is the mahogany tree which is found here, and other than this, redwood, rosewood, coconut and oil palms are also found here. Next, we are going to study about its wildlife. The large variety of animals is found in DRC. There are different kinds of animals like gorillas, chimpanzees, baboons. Let me tell you, baboon is the only animal which is found in this country. In the only country in this world where baboons are found. This is the image of the okapi, which is a kind of giraffe found in DRC. Other than this, there are different variety of birds which are found here. See this image. As you can see the image of parrot and other different kinds of birds. So children, there are more species of animals, birds, reptiles, mammals. So because of this, the DRC is also called the natural zoo of the world, because यहाँ पे जो wildlife की variety है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. बहुत सारे तरह के animals हैं, reptiles हैं, insects हैं. इसकी वजह से इसको natural zoo of the world भी बोला जाता है. The next topic is occupation. यहाँ के लोगों का काम क्या है? Basically, farming is the main occupation of the people here. यहाँ के लोग farming का काम ज़्यादा करते हैं. वो खुद ही राइस, मेज ये सब ग्रो करते हैं. And the another type of cultivation which is practiced by the farmer here is shifting cultivation, in which the farmers shift their cultivation from one place to another, and due to this the soil loses its fertility. Let me tell you, the staple food of the people of DRC is cassava, which is used to make bread. Here is the image of crop which is grown here: rice, peanuts, and the other is maize. Other than this, there are groundnuts, sugarcane, etc. also. I hope you understood what I have explained you. Now let's recapitulate. What type of trees are found here? Name some. What kind of trees means? Evergreen trees. Name some trees. I told you: mahogany, teak. Staple food is cassava. Name some animals. I already told you: okapi. You can see chimpanzees, etc. Now this we have all studied today. Tomorrow we are going to study about its mineral and transport. So, thank you.